Join us at Tech Revolt to discover the incredible future of technology. In this video, we dive into the latest food technologies. Did machinery revolutionize the food industry? Get set for a thrilling journey. Cattle are brought in and prepared for slaughter following safety standards. The carcasses are inspected and then broken down into various cuts. These cuts undergo further processing, including trimming, deboning, and grinding, to meet specific product requirements. The beef is packaged, labeled, and prepared for distribution to retailers, ensuring freshness and quality. The process starts with mixing different grains, such as wheat, rice, or oats, with flavorings, sweeteners, and vitamins. This mixture is extruded through machines to create various shapes, from flakes to loops. The cereal undergoes drying to remove moisture and enhance crunchiness. The dried cereal is packaged into boxes or bags, ready to be enjoyed with milk or yogurt for a delicious breakfast. Canned fruit production begins with the washing and peeling of fruits to remove any dirt or outer layers. The fruits are sliced into uniform pieces before being carefully placed into cans. Once filled, the cans are sealed and undergo heat processing to ensure preservation. This heat treatment also helps to maintain the fruit's flavor and texture. Finally, the canned fruits are labeled and packaged, ready to be shipped to grocery stores for consumers to enjoy year-round. Cook sugar and other ingredients, such as butter and cream, in large kettles. The molten caramel is poured into molds to cool and solidify into various shapes. The caramel candies are individually wrapped to preserve freshness and prevent sticking. The wrapped candies are packaged into bags or boxes, ready to satisfy sweet cravings wherever they go. The magic begins at the hatchery, where fertilized eggs are incubated until they hatch into chicks. These chicks are raised in controlled environments until they reach maturity for processing. The chickens are slaughtered and processed into various cuts and products. These products undergo rigorous quality control checks before being packaged and prepared for distribution to retailers, ensuring safe and high-quality chicken for consumers. Indulge your sweet tooth as you tour a cookie manufacturing facility and discover the secrets behind everyone's favorite baked treats. It involves mixing ingredients like flour, sugar, and butter to form a dough. This dough is shaped into cookies using molds or extrusion machines before being baked to perfection in ovens. Whether it's chocolate chip, oatmeal, or sugar cookies, each batch is made with care and precision to delight cookie lovers everywhere. If you love cookies, let us know in the comments below. Take a behind-the-scenes look at a cottage cheese production line and learn how milk is transformed into creamy, tangy cottage cheese. It begins with pasteurizing milk to remove harmful bacteria while preserving its flavor and nutrients. The milk is inoculated with cultures and enzymes to initiate the curdling process, forming curds and whey. The curds are cut into small pieces and gently cooked to expel more whey. The cheese is packaged into containers and chilled, ready to be enjoyed as a nutritious snack or ingredient in various dishes. The crackers production line begins with mixing ingredients like flour, water, and seasonings to form a dough. This dough is then rolled out into thin sheets, which are cut into individual cracker shapes. These raw crackers move through an oven where they are baked to perfection, achieving the desired crispiness and flavor. After baking, the crackers are cooled and inspected for quality before being packaged for distribution. This automated process ensures consistent quality and efficiency in producing delicious crackers for consumers to enjoy. Energy drink manufacturing starts with mixing water, flavorings, sweeteners, and other ingredients to create the drink's base. Carbonation is then added to give the drink its fizziness and refreshing taste. The mixed and carbonated beverage is filtered to remove any impurities before being filled into cans or bottles. The containers are sealed, labeled, and packaged for shipment. This meticulous process guarantees that each energy drink delivers the intended boost of energy and flavor to consumers. Fresh vegetables are first washed, peeled, and cut into uniform sizes. These prepared vegetables are blanched to preserve their color, flavor, and nutritional value. The vegetables are quickly frozen to lock in freshness. The frozen vegetables are sorted, weighed, and packaged into bags or containers, ready for storage or distribution. This facility ensures that consumers can enjoy nutritious and convenient frozen vegetables any time of the year. Fresh pork legs are first trimmed and cleaned before undergoing a curing process with salt and other seasonings. The hams are smoked using natural wood chips to enhance flavor and preserve the meat. The smoked hams are aged to develop their unique taste and texture. The hams are sliced, packaged, and labeled for consumers to enjoy as deli meat or as a centerpiece for meals. Ice cream production begins with mixing milk, cream, sugar, and flavorings to create the ice cream base. Additional ingredients like nuts, fruits, or candies may be added. The finished ice cream is packaged into containers, tubs, or cones, ready for distribution to stores and ice cream shops. This process ensures that each scoop of ice cream is rich, smooth, and delicious. If you are a fan of ice creams, let us know in the comments section. Mussel farming involves cultivating mussels on ropes or nets suspended in coastal waters. These mussels feed on natural plankton, growing and maturing over time. The mussels are cleaned, sorted, and inspected for quality. They are packaged live or processed into products like mussel meat or canned mussels. This sustainable farming and processing method ensures that consumers receive fresh, high-quality mussels packed with flavor and nutrients. The process begins with mixing flour and water to create dough. This dough is fed into an extruder, a machine that shapes the pasta into various forms like spaghetti or penne. The pasta is moved to drying racks or tunnels, where it's dried to remove moisture, ensuring a longer shelf life. The dried pasta is packaged and ready for distribution to stores or consumers, bringing the delightful taste of pasta to tables worldwide. The first step involves peeling the pineapples to remove the tough outer skin. The pineapples are sliced into desired shapes, such as rings or chunks. Packaging ensures the freshness and protects the slices from external contaminants, maintaining their flavor and nutritional value. The packaged pineapple slices are then ready to be shipped to supermarkets, offering consumers a convenient and tasty fruit option. Initially, the rice is cleaned to remove impurities like stones and husks. Hulling machines remove the outer husk to reveal the brown rice underneath. Further processing can polish this brown rice to produce white rice. The processed rice is sorted, graded, and packaged for distribution. This meticulous process ensures that the rice is clean, nutritious, and ready for cooking, meeting the high standards of quality expected by consumers. The cold smoking process is employed to enhance the flavor of the fish without fully cooking it. Fresh salmon fillets are placed in a chamber where they are exposed to cool smoke from wood chips. This slow smoking process infuses the salmon with a rich, smoky flavor while preserving its delicate texture. Vacuum-sealed packaging ensures freshness and extends the shelf life of the smoked salmon, making it a popular choice for gourmet dishes and appetizers. The sausage line starts with grinding meat and mixing it with spices and seasonings to create the desired flavor profile. This seasoned meat mixture is fed into a stuffing machine, which fills it into casings to form sausages of various sizes and shapes. After cooking, the sausages are cooled, inspected, and packaged. Packaging involves vacuum sealing to maintain freshness and preserve the flavors, making the sausages ready for sale in restaurants. Grading involves evaluating the meat based on its marbling, color, and texture to determine its quality. The meat is cut into various steak cuts like ribeye or filet mignon. These are then packaged, often vacuum sealed, to maintain freshness and flavor until they reach the consumer's plate. The process begins with blanching the vegetables to preserve their color, texture, and nutritional value. Blanching involves briefly immersing the vegetables in boiling water before quickly cooling them down. The vegetables are filled into cans or jars, ensuring they are packed tightly to minimize air pockets. The canned vegetables are now ready for distribution, offering consumers a convenient and long-lasting option for incorporating vegetables into their meals. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button. Catch you in more interesting content in our upcoming video.